Tired of payroll headaches turning your dream business into a compliance nightmare? Let's break down how Gusto Payroll works in just a minute and a half, transforming those payroll woes into smooth sailing. First, think of Gusto as your automated payroll command center. It all starts with setting up your company profile. You'll enter essential details like your company's legal name, address, and employer identification number or AI, and this information is crucial for accurate tax filings and compliance. Next, you'll add your employees. For each team member, you'll input their personal information, including their name, address, and social security number. You'll also specify their pay rate, whether it's hourly or salary, and their withholding allowances for taxes. Gusto uses this to accurately calculate their paychecks and deductions. Now, magic happens. When it's time to run payroll, Gusto automatically calculates wages, deductions for taxes, benefits, and any other withholdings. This automation minimizes the risk of errors and saves you precious time. Gusto offers multiple payment options. The most popular is direct deposit, where employees receive their pay directly into their bank accounts. You can also issue physical checks if needed. Tax season, no sweat. Gusto automatically files your federal, state, and local payroll taxes. It generates all the necessary forms like W-2 South and 1099s and sends them to the appropriate agencies, keeping you compliant with all regulations. Finally, Gusto provides robust reporting and analytics. You can access detailed reports on payroll expenses, employee earnings, and tax liabilities, giving you valuable insights into your company's financial health. And that's Gusto, in a nutshell, a simplified system that automates complex tasks and ensures compliance so you can focus on growing your business.